Fish is back on menus in Beijing. Up until recently, many restaurants had stopped serving it. An outbreak linked to a seafood market here in June sent chills through people in the capital, fearing a second wave of COVID-19. Traces of the virus were found on chopping boards used for imported salmon. The scare over a fresh wave has since subsided, but consumers remain cautious.
I don't dare to eat seafood, only the vegetables that grow from the ground. I don't dare to eat foreign food.
There are more reports about the existence of the virus on food. Some imported seafood in particular has been affected. We generally try not to purchase these things.
The latest food-linked scare is over imported frozen shrimp. Authorities in several cities reported that they detected the coronavirus on the packaging of samples shipped from Ecuador. And the northern province of Shanxi put a complete ban on it after the virus was found on the inner wall of containers used to import the product. It's not just seafood that's caused alarm among consumers in China. Last month, authorities in the southern city of Shenzhen reported that samples taken from the surface of frozen chicken wings that had originated from Brazil tested positive. Brazil has asked China to show proof of the findings, but authorities have brushed off the request. The alleged contamination has led to temporary bans on Brazilian poultry from the Philippines. Hong Kong's also stopped importing chicken from the plant the contaminated samples were said to have been traced to. Meantime, the World Health Organization has downplayed the risk of getting infected through food.
And we have no examples of where this virus has been transmitted as a foodborne, whereas someone has consumed a food product. The viruses can be killed, like other viruses as well, can be killed if the meat is cooked.
China has acknowledged imported food poses a low risk of transmitting the virus, but it's continued to test hundreds of thousands of samples as a protective measure. Patrick Fok, SABC News, Beijing.